kind of make a wide swing around, we'll hold the traffic for you. Okay. Hang on just a second. Okay, right hand lane, just keep going on. Because now you're in the car clipping. Mr. Cruise Light, or are you listening to the show too? Mr. Cruise Light, follow him.
Red eye.
Follow them. Looking for spectator parking or one of the ones working now?
Unfortunately, I'm here doing this, not with you guys.
Just follow the road in.
That way.
You want to go on the grounds or you want spectator parking? Spectators off to the left. Last year I was here with them. This year I got to work.